The height of the COVID-19 pandemic might feel like ages ago, but for the frontline workers who endured what was likely the toughest time of their careers, it's hard to forget. 10 Tampa Bay's Malik Rankin shares with us how a Tampa nurse is paying tribute and giving back in her own special way.
When the world shut down.
Where this is new, it's scary. We see people dying, and I was just like, well, I want to go. I want to help.
Our nurses stepped up. Carla Sieber became a nurse in December of 2019. We all know what happened months later.
All the stories on the news in New York about just how overwhelmed they were, everything going on, and I was like, I gotta go.
Sieber spent 2.5 weeks treating COVID patients at Mount Sinai Beth Israel in New York City at a time when cases and deaths were at their highest.
Some of the areas we had patients in tarps in the hallways with zippers, and we're like, this is the best we can do. It's a space we can put a person to try and help them.
And now she's back in the Big Apple, ready to compete in the New York City Marathon.
Remembering all of the staff that I encountered when I was up here, I think a lot of that stuff is really going to help get me through.
This is Sieber's first marathon, and it's the nurses and doctors she worked alongside in the city she's now racing in that'll push her through. But that's not all.
I'm doing it for a foundation.
Brain Aneurysm Foundation.
All the money that we raise for them is going to help them with bringing awareness to brain aneurysm.
From the front lines,
I actually worked in the COVID ICU throughout Delta in Florida when it was pretty busy there in Tampa.
To the finish line. The marathon kicks off this Sunday. In Tampa, Malik Rankin, 10 Tampa Bay.
That is quite an accomplishment, getting to run that marathon. It's quite an accomplishment, serving all those patients. A lot of them really have suffered trauma themselves. Yeah. I've been in the COVID ICU with folks before, and those people who work around the clock trying to keep people alive are just miracle workers.
So many long hours saving lives. It was incredible the work that they did there and continue to do. So we have more details on the organization Carla is fundraising for. You'll find that on our website, 10tampabay.com.